Hello everyone. Let's begin today's topic. Today our topic is mechanism of photosynthesis. What is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a complex process in which glucose is produced with the help of carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll in green colored plants. It is very complex process. The process of photosynthesis takes place in two major phases. The first one is light dependent reaction and another one is light independent reaction. First, you look at the light dependent reaction. In light dependent reaction, light plays an important role. A series of chemical reactions occurs in a very quick succession initiated by the light. So, the phase is technically called the photochemical phase or light dependent reaction or light reaction. The light reaction takes place in chlorophyll containing thylakoids called gram of chloroplast. Step 1. The chlorophyll are exposed to the light energy become initiated by observing the photons. Photon is the smallest unit of the light. Step 2. Whatever the energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll, the energy is used by splitting the water molecule into two component ions named hydrogen and hydroxyl ions. The reaction is known as photolysis because it is splitting by the light. Photo means light, lysis means breaking. This was discovered by Robert Hill. Hence, it is also called Hill reaction. Step 3. Whatever ions are formed in step 2, H plus, OH minus ions. OH plus ions undergoes into various changes. This ions helps to form the H2 and O2 gas. Plant will reuse the H2O and oxygen will release into the atmosphere. H plus ions in various changes, they play main role in dark reaction. H plus ions are picked up by one compound that is called NADP. NADP absorbed by the H plus ions, immediately it converts into NADPH. After ATP will gain energy, so that ADP immediately convert into ATP. ATP, NADPH are produced at the end of the light reaction. These are called assimilatory powers. ATP full form adenosine triphosphate. NADPH nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide hydrogen phosphate. The second phase, light independent reaction or biosynthetic phase. This reaction does not require the presence of the light, but it can take place in presence of the light and in the dark also. It occurs simultaneously with the light reaction. H plus ions produced in photolysis, it immediately picked up a special compound NADP to form the NADPH. In dark phase, the hydrogen of a NADPH is used to combine H with CO2 by utilizing ATP energy and produce the glucose. This reaction occurs in a number of steps by using a special intermediate compounds and enzymes. Finally, the glucose is converted into starch. The next, what is the difference between the light reaction and dark reaction? Light reaction, dark reaction. In light reaction, it occurs only in presence of light. In dark reaction, it occurs both in presence and absence of the light. In light reaction, it occurs in the grana. Dark reaction, it occurs in stroma. In light reaction, it is also called photochemical phase. In dark reaction, it is also called biosynthetic phase. In light reaction, ATP and NADPH are formed. In dark reaction, ATP and NADPH are utilized for reduction of CO2 to glucose. End products are O2, ATP and NADPH. End products are glucose and water. Carbon dioxide is not utilized. Carbon dioxide is used in the formation of glucose. Have you understood what you have learned today? Mechanism of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, there are two main phases. light reaction and dark reaction. The end products of the light reaction is oxygen, ATP and NADPH. The end products of the dark reaction, glucose and water. Have you understood? Thank you.